Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about dummy levers or dummy sets for the closet doors. So now there are a few problems that you might get with this one. Either the handle can come off, or sometime if you pull the door too hard, then the whole handle can come off and this can bring the whole part out. And then you don't know how to fix it because you don't see any screws or you don't see any access how to open the cap and then access the screws. So now I'll start. So these are two different kind of lever sets. So in this one, if you see this, you can see the screws on the front. That means you can just open the screw, remove this and install it back. But here you don't see the screws. So now I will be showing you both the sets of how you can access the screws and then how to fix or remove the handle and then access the back plate. So now if the handle comes off or you want to take it off, you will see there is a hole here. So right at this point, on even on this one, it's at this point. So you will be able to see it. So to remove the handle, you have to put a pin. So this comes with the dummy locks. If you don't have this, you can just use any needle or any pin that can fit this tiny hole. And then you will be able to open the lever here. So now if you see, you just put this pin here and press. So once you press it, it will make the handle go loose and you can take it off. So what this pin does, it moves this part here, making this handle go loose on the grip here so that you can remove it. So now if this handle comes off easily and then you want to put it back, it's very simple. You just put the handle on the top here like this, and if you see there's a tiny gap here, that means it's not fixed and it can be easily removed. So then you put it and hit it. So when you hit it, it just gets locked there. And now to remove it again, you have to use the pin. So and then it comes off. So now, second thing. Now if you see, there are these two different kind of dummy sets. So now in this one, you see the screw. So if this whole set comes off, you can just put the screw back and then you can install it. But in this one, if this whole piece comes off, then you need to access the screw. So now first you remove the handle as we did. Now you remove the top plate and now you will see the screws. So now if this whole set comes off, I'll show you. So you just put the screw back right here. If this hole becomes loose, then you can just move this bit up and down and then redo it. Then maybe to level this, you have to open this up and redo that as well. So now I will screw this back and put the top cover plate back on this. So now once this is back on, you can put the plate on the top and then put the handle and lock it. So now it's stiff. So if you see, it's stable, so does this. So dummy locks usually don't have a movable handle. So this is what it looks like. And you can also install the simpler version of the dummy locks by just simply holding the lock and the set. So you don't need to tighten the one screw fully. You can just leave it a little loose so that you have a little bit of flexibility on the second screw. Then you can tighten this. And then put the handle on the top, push it, and it's good to go. Hope this video helped you to know how to remove or put back the handle, or how to remove or install back the dummy lock. So if this video helped you in any way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.